Hi, boys and girls. Today you're going to be doing lesson 3-4, which is multiplying two-digit by two-digit numbers. So I'm going to put a couple examples up here just to review with you before you do your questions. So let's say I was doing 29 times 63. Ultimately, what you're doing here is you're multiplying the 3 by the 9 and the 3 by the 2, getting a partial product, and then multiplying the 6 by the 9 and the 6 by 2, getting another partial product, and then adding them together. So I'm going to go to the standard algorithm. 3 times 9 or 9 ones is 27. I'm putting down the 7 in the ones place, carrying my 2 into the tens place. 3 times 2 or 3 times 2 tens or 20 is 60 plus 2 is 80. But I'm going to put down an 8. So again, 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2 is 8. I want to add a 0 here because I already used the ones place, okay? And I multiplied the number that I have in the ones place times these two digits. So now I have to hold the ones place because now I'm going to multiply the 6, which is in the tens place, times these two numbers. So I'm going to hold this place with a 0. So 6 times 9 is 54. Put down my 4, carry my 5. I'm going to get rid of these numbers because I use them. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 5 is 17. So I've got two partial products here. I'm going to add them up. 7 and 0 is 7. 8 and 4 is 12. Put down my 2, carry my 1. 7 and 1 is 8, and the 1 comes down. My answer is 1,827. Let's try another one. Let's say we did 85 times 74. Again, I'm going to multiply. I'm going to start with my number in the ones place. 4 times 5 is 20. I'm going to put down my 0, carry my 2 into the tens place. Now I want to do 4 times 8, which is 32. Plus 2 is 34. I'm going to put my answer down. I use the 4, which is in the ones place, to multiply by this two-digit number. So now I want to multiply by the 7, which is in the tens place. So I'm going to hold the place by putting a 0. 7 times 5 is 35. Put down the 5. Carry my 3 into the tens place. 7 times 8 is 56. Plus 3 is 59. Add them up. 0 and 0 is 0. 4 and 5 is 9. 9 and 3 is 12. 2, carry my 1. 5 and 1 is 6. So my final answer is 6,290. Let's try another. Let's say I was doing 83 times 24. Okay, again, I'm first going to take my number in the ones place and times it by my two digits, get a partial product. So 4 times 3 is 12. 2, carry my 1. 4 times 8 is 32, plus 1 is 33. Then I'm going to cross this off because I used it, and I'm going to put a 0 here because now I want to multiply the number that's in the tens place times this number. So I don't want to put the answer for this into the ones place. That's why I'm putting a 0 here to hold the place. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 8 is 16. I'm going to line up these numbers, and if this 1 hangs off the edge and doesn't have a partner, that's okay. It'll get over it. 2 and nothing is 2. 6 and 3 is 9. 6 and 3 is 9. And my 1 doesn't have anyone to add on to, any add-in to add on to, so I'm just going to bring it down. Remember to go behind the answer and or my product, and do 1, 2, 3, comma before me. And my answer is 1,992. Let's do one more. Let's say you had 38 times 72. Okay, again, first I'm going to multiply my 2, which is in the ones place, times this number, get a partial product, then do my 7, which is in the tens place, times this number, get a partial product, and add them together. So 2 times 8 is 16. 6, putting the 6 in the ones place, carrying this 1 over to the tens place. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. I use my number that's in the ones place. I'm going to get rid of it. And I want to now multiply my number, which is in the tens place, 7 or 70 times 38. So I'm going to put a 0 here because I don't want to start putting the answer to that over here, or it's going to line up incorrectly. So I'm going to do 7 times 8 is 56. Put down my 6, carry my 5 into my tens place. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 5 is 26. And again, I'm just going to line up these numbers the way they should fall. 6 times 0 is 6. 7 plus 6 is 13. 3, carry my 1. 6 and 1 is 7. And my 2 comes down. Again, I go to the end of the number. 1, 2, 3, comma before me. Okay, well, I hope this helps you to answer today's questions. And good luck with it, and have a great day. Bye.